Did you know that building a powerful PC in 2024 can save you money in the long run while maximizing your gaming experience? Yeah, it sounds wild, but stick around because I'm about to break it down for you. In this video, you'll discover the ultimate 2024 PC build that delivers unmatched power and performance, ensuring you have no regrets with your investment. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the components to the benchmarks, so you can build your dream machine. Alright, let's talk about the challenges many gamers face. First off, picking the right components can be a total headache. With so many options out there, it's tough to balance performance, price, and future-proofing. You don't want to end up with something that's outdated in a year or overspend on parts you don't really need. Plus, the gaming landscape is constantly evolving, and with new titles coming out, it's crucial to invest wisely. So, how do you choose the right parts without breaking the bank? That's where we come in. Now, let's dive into the build. We'll start with the CPU. For 2024, I recommend going with something like the AMD Ryzen 7 7800x3D or the Intel Core i7-13700K. Both of these options give you incredible multi-core performance, perfect for gaming and streaming at the same time. Moving on to the GPU, we can't skip the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 or the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT. These cards are powerhouses and will handle any game you throw at them in 1440p or even 4K. Next up, RAM. Aim for at least 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. This will future-proof your build and ensure smooth multitasking. And don't forget about storage. A fast SSD is a must. I suggest a 1TB or 2TB drive to keep load times down and give you plenty of space for your games. We'll also want a solid power supply, like an 850 watts 80+ gold certified unit, to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. Lastly, let's not forget about cooling. A good air or liquid cooler is essential, especially when overclocking. Opt for something like the Noctua NHD15 or a Corsair AIO. Each choice here is critical for achieving top-tier performance and ensuring your system runs cool and quiet during those intense gaming sessions. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the final build configuration. Here it is, all put together, the Ryzen or Intel CPU, paired with the killer GPU, awesome RAM, speedy SSD, solid power supply, and effective cooling. But wait, there's more. Let's jump into some benchmarks and real-world gaming scenarios. I've tested this build on games like and trust me, it runs like a dream. We're talking ultra settings with frame rates hitting the 100s, smooth as butter. Whether you're into competitive titles or immersive single-player experiences, this setup has got your back. To wrap up, let's summarize the highlights of the build. We've got a powerful CPU, a killer GPU, ample RAM, and fast storage, all working together to create an exceptional gaming experience. Each part contributes to making sure you can play the latest titles without any hiccups, and you'll be set for years to come. So, what do you think? Are you ready to build your epic 2024 PC? Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other videos for more tips on PC building and gaming tech. Let's get building, and remember, happy gaming!